All right, so Bob, this video is a little interesting to me. Why does it take four people to watch and one person to actually spray in this video?
Well, there's all kinds of comebacks to that, but actually this was a training session. So we had multiple people there that were learning about this process. In this particular case, this was at a fabricator of girders and bridge components. And this is actually a little bridge component, part of one of the reinforcement pieces. And I don't know the right terminology, but it's a piece they bolt onto something else. At any rate,
Okay.
this operator is going to spray zinc, and we'll show how they're doing it manually. And I'd like to point out that there's a lot of variation here. If you watch the angles and how they move and how fast they move, it's common in the industry. It's done all the time, and we get acceptable properties, but we could do it more consistently, faster, and less expensive if we used automation. So that's a good example. And the follow-on video we have is similar. It also is a manual operation, and this is a much larger girder. In fact, I think this was the same manufacturer I took both these videos. You can see how he's bent over, and I'm assuming it's a he. It could have been a she. We do have female operators. But you can see the angles changing, the speeds changing, and my back is hurting just watching how they're bending over and moving
absolutely
around. Again, there's a big cry out there for automation in thermal spray these days, and we're trying to fulfill that requirement for the customers asking about that. If you saw anything today with the automation or the processes that has your interest, give us a call at Thermal Spray Depot at 724-229-5791 or drop us a line at info@thermalspraydepot.com.